Good, because there is personal one-to-one. That is the best thing about it. And you're showing everything live. See, I have attended many sessions. It's not that this is the first digital marketing. Already one course I had taken up where it was some one year back. They give you the recorded lectures. And they like, I think monthly once or twice some calls are there. But the problem is, at that call time, if we are not available, we miss that session. Again, it will go to recordings. Here the advantages and recording, see, practically speaking, on a daily note to go through some recordings and all that, we might not get that time. Now that you have a scheduled time, so what we do is at that time we'll make sure that we are available.
Yes, correct.
So we'll finish off with all our tasks and everything, and then it's there in your mind. Okay, disadvantages, you're teaching many new things. Something which, in spite of even I've gone through video lectures and so many sessions I have attended, there are many things which I was not aware of.
Correct. Mm-hmm. Yes.
I say maybe 5 to 10% of digital marketing idea I had earlier.
Okay.
But now I feel a little bit confident. Like, Canva, I told you, I have a Canva Pro version, but never used it.
Yeah.
So the thing is, like, if we have somebody who's guiding us, it gets easier to understand. See, if you give us 70 to 80% of knowledge, the 20% we can use our whatever learnings, and with that we can try.
Correct.
It was a good decision what I did, and luckily, I was there in BWT, but then I never attended the sessions earlier. Somebody's session, you should learn something new, and whatever you know, it should be in a little detailed manner. Then it will help you.
Correct.
Otherwise, there's no use.
Yes, that is true.
So, but when you explained, initially the first time when you told, you have so many years of experience and you're already there on another portal where you're explaining, you're taking many live classes. So that is the time I thought, okay, maybe I think I should try one-to-one, because digital marketing, frankly speaking, in my jewelry business, I could not succeed because of my lack of knowledge of digital marketing.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Which I think any business for that matter, like I thought of this because I'm there in this industry from past 17 years.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, let me give a try in this, because there is a scope and it's a lucrative field. There are many people. Getting clients will not be very difficult as long as I'm cracking the digital space. Any business, see, I don't know people. I'm there in another women's group where people selling saris are making 2 crores a year.
Yes, correct.
They're doing it. And
yeah.
That is something which I felt I'm not doing. I'm not doing because how much ever I tried to learn, I felt there is some loophole. That circle is not complete. I've maybe reached here.
Push is one more thing, because I am pushing you. So, and after our class also, I will push you. And this push is required from both side directions. So when I am telling you to do something, you will also do. And then if I see that, okay, after class, there is no much interaction from your side, that will slow down. Right. So both side interaction is very much required. And I am guiding my old students also, like whenever they are doing any kind of thing or they are stuck somewhere, they are messaging me. So they are calling me and they are sending me the links whether this is correct or a scope of improvement. So I am sending them and I am guiding them throughout. And I want it from all of my students, because digital marketing is not a one-day matter. It is going to evolve. It will change. So for my every session, I am telling it is going to be changed. Today, what I am teaching, after 1 month, it will be changed. So digital marketing is a ever-changing platform. So like that, we have to upgrade ourselves all the time. So my guidance and my assurance will be there always.
After a year, if you're taking some new update sessions, I don't mind joining that session also, because I know that it is going to be work.
Correct. Definitely.